Hello guys, welcome back. I just going to record this video that I found something. I tell you I was doing this project on PyCharm, but sorry, we do it on Collab, and let's go over that. In the previous lessons, what we do, we import the channel, we create a database named channel and added our data to it. Okay, let's run it again and see if it's here or not. It's connecting still. Wait a little for it to be fixed. Okay, we need to run everything from first. Okay, let's run this cell. Okay, then go to the next cell. Let's connect to Google Drive. Okay. Okay. Now the Google Drive is appended. Now okay, we don't need to read this file, let's just run this. And add channel, okay. Let's see the channel. Now we have our database and it named channel. What shall we do next? We shall read every item and create a database based on their names. Okay, we just give the database two things, the video ID and the data. Okay, let's go and see what we do here. Let me copy that. No, don't copy that, we work here. Okay, count the function with the ID. That get comment, video ID, call 1, call 2, and pd.dataframe. These are right. From Google Colab import drive.mount. Channel is equal. Let's just delete this. Data to CSV. We put a new folder here. No data folder here. Index false. We don't need verify. Let's delete this. Okay, we need to import all this video ID to our CSV. How we can do it? Let's go and see. We now have our YouTube ID. Let's run it just one time and see what happened. Okay, let's go to our Google Drive. The CSV file is added. Okay, now what should we do? We should make this a def. How we can make it a def? Okay, get a is equal to get comment video ID. We have our video ID, and let's make it video ID. Okay, a is equal to get comment video ID. Let's do this. For video ID, we gave its video ID and the date. Let me create a def here for def saving, for example, and give it two things. First video, then date. Let's call it video date, video date, and call it video ID. Okay, we give this to this step, and then we make this. Let me copy that, paste it here, and make them okay. From Google import. Now the thing we need is to name the CSV file uniquely. How we can do it? Let's try to change this here. How we can do it? Let's put an end here and an end here. Okay, let's here, and then let's see if we say plus here, LL plus, what the code will do. Let's run it. Oh, sorry. We do something wrong. The plus is here. And let's see the code is working right or not. Okay. Let's check it. We do it perfectly. It's for this lesson, it's enough. Let's do it in the